Hey everybody, today I'm gonna open up the 13-inch MacBook Air that Apple just dropped. Mine came in really late last night. I think it was like 10 or 10:30. The poor UPS guy's probably working overtime right now. I'm excited to open this up and check it out because I really like the MacBook Air, but it has always been a little bit lacking as far as specs go because Apple hasn't updated it in a while. So now that it's kind of up to spec and has Touch ID, Retina screen, different things like that, I'm excited to try this out, and this may become my daily computer to take with me everywhere I go. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing today. I'm gonna check and make sure too that it fits the MacBook Pro sleeves that we make. It should fit these because it fits the other MacBook Airs, but I always just wanna double check. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys wanna watch an unboxing, let's do this. All right, get this open. So we got the USB-C ports. It's got 4 in total. Or no, I'm sorry, 2. I thought I had 4, my bad. So that'll be a little bit limiting, but I think I can deal with that. I'm not usually using more than one really most of the time. But yeah, man, this form factor is hard to beat. Got your USB-C cable in here. And of course your charger. I don't know what size this one is. 30 watts. So I mean, you could use this to charge your iPhone and stuff like that too. Probably couldn't use it to charge a bigger MacBook Pro. Yeah, guys, there it is. I'm excited to try it out, and I'll see if I'll
press the return key.
I'll do a follow-up video because I want to hear, because it says the speakers have improved and a few other things, so I kind of want to try that out, give it some time, and then see, just kind of see, get my thoughts on everything, and then do a follow-up video for you guys. Let me see if it's going to fit our sleeve here. Oh yeah, it should fit in here just fine. Nice. So yeah, there it is in our 13-inch sleeve. So fits just fine. And you might even be able to get the charger back in here, especially if yours, I mean, this leather will stretch out over time, but yeah, you can fit that back there. And then of course your cable if you wanted to. I usually keep my charger in a separate spot just because it's kind of bulky, but yeah, that'll be perfect. All right, guys, and that's it.